This is Jeff Tate with TableCraft Products here today in my backyard here in Chicago. Today we're going to make Cajun grilled shrimp skewers. Really quick, easy dish, really great for any weekdays. For a quick, easy dinner, you can make in about 20 minutes. First step is putting the shrimp on the skewers. Really simple, really easy. You get about 4 to 5 shrimp per skewer. After you're done getting them on the skewers, go ahead and season them liberally with some Cajun seasoning and put them off to the side until your grill is about 400 degrees. Once the shrimp are seasoned, go ahead and turn your grill on and start melting about 3/4 of a stick of butter. You're going to be basting the shrimp a couple of times throughout.